Fractions and decimal solutions part 2. Before we move on to the sums, let us check a quick recap upon addition and subtraction in fractions. Now we're going to look at addition of fractions. Addition of like fractions, which is quite simple. To add two or more like fractions, add the numerator to obtain the numerator of the required fractions. The denominator of the required fraction is the common denominator of the given fractions. For example, 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5, you can directly add it because the denominators are the same. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So the answer is 4 by 5. Addition of unlike fractions. To add two or more unlike fractions, first change the given fractions into like fractions by simply multiplying each fraction with LCM of the denominators of the given fractions. Then simply add the like fractions. In order to add unlike fractions, you have to first make it into a like fraction. As you can see here, 1 by 5 plus 3 by 10. So as we can see here, the LCM is 10. So 5 2s are 10. So 1 into 2 plus 3 into 1, which is equal to 5 by 10. Now subtraction of fractions. Subtraction of like fractions. To subtract two or more like fractions, subtract the numerators of the given fractions. The denominators of the required fractions is the common denominator of the given fractions. 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5 is equal to 2 by 5. Subtraction of unlike fractions. To subtract two or more unlike fractions, first convert them into like fractions and then subtract. 1 by 5 minus 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by 10. Question number 1. A plumber has 18 1 by 2 meter long pipe. He divides it into three parts. The top part and the bottom part measure 5 7 by 8 meter each. Find the length of the middle part of the pipe. Here they have said that the total length of the pipe is 18 1 by 2 meters. And there's a middle part and a bottom and a top part. The bottom and top part measure 5 7 by 8 meters. And we don't know the middle part. In order to find the middle part, we have to subtract top and bottom part from the total meters of the pipe. If we do that, we can see that the middle part is equal to 6 3 by 4 meters. Question 2. Ruchi baked a cake and gave 2 by 3 of it to Priyanka and 1 by 8 of it to her children. What fraction of cake was left with her? Priyanka and her children got a cake which is equal to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 8, which is equal to 19 by 24. Remaining cake left with her is equal to 1 whole minus 19 by 24, which is equal to 5 by 24. Question 3. The sum of these two fractions is dash the sum of these two other fractions. Sum of the first one is 21 by 6. Sum of the second one is 73 by 12. In order to compare, we have to change them into equivalent fractions to compare. After changing into equivalent fraction, we can see that the sum of the first one is less than the sum of the second one. Question 4. The length of the crayon Y is exactly halfway between the lengths of crayon X and crayon Z. What is the total length of crayons X, Y and Z? Given the length of crayon Y is exactly halfway between the length of crayons X and crayon Z. We can write this as length of crayon X plus length of crayon Z divided by 2 is equal to length of crayons Y. That is 11 7 by 9 plus length of crayon Z is equal to 2 into 10 1 by 18. Using this, we can find the value of Z. Z is equal to 75 by 9. As we got all the values now, we can finally find the total length of all these crayons. Finding, we will get 30 1 by 6 centimeter. Question 5. Ajit jumped 5 meters in a long jump. Shyam jumped 6 by 7 meters less than Ajit. How long was Shyam's jump? Ajit jumped 5 meters in a long jump. Shyam jumped 6 by 7 meters less than Ajit. Therefore, Sham jumped 5 minus 6 by 7, which is equal to 4, 1 by 7 meters. Question number 6. 4 by 7 of the children in a hall are girls and rest are boys. If there are 12 more girls than boys, how many children are there in the hall? Let the number of total children be n. Given 4 by 7 of the children are girls. Therefore, 4 by 7 into n is equal to girls and the remaining is 3 by 7 into n, which is equal to boys. Given 12 more number of girls than boys. Therefore, 4 by 7 into n is equal to 3 by 7 into n plus 12. Using this, we can find the value of n, that is 84. Question number 7. In a dance academy, Mandeep practices 1 by 4 hours in the morning and 1 by 5 hours in the evening daily. If the academy remains closed on every Saturday and Sunday, then how much time Mandeep spends in a week on practice? As Mandeep practices in one day is equal to 1 by 4 hours plus 1 by 5 hours, which is equal to 49 by 20 hours. In a week, Mandeep is practicing 5 days. So total time he spent practicing in a week is equal to 12 hours 15 minutes. Question number 8. Priya takes 9 minutes to walk to school. She takes 2 by 3 minutes more than Aman to walk to school. Aman takes 3 by 4 minutes less than Kirti to walk to school. How many minutes does Kirti take to walk to school? As we can see here, Priya takes 2 by 3 minutes more than Aman to reach school. Using this, we can find the time taken Aman to reach school. That is 22 by 3 minutes. Given Aman takes 3 by 4 minutes less than Kirti to walk to school. Therefore, Kirti takes 22 minutes plus 3 by 4 minutes to reach to school. That is 1 by 12. Question number 9. The total length of 7 different poles is 23 1 by 6 meter. The length of each of the first 5 poles is 17 by 6 meter. The length of the 7th pole is half of the length of the 6th pole. What is the length of the 7th pole? Given we have the total length of the 7 different poles, that is 23 1 by 6 meters. They are saying there are first 5 poles which measure the same meters, that is 17 by 6. Also, length of first 5 poles plus length of 6th pole plus 7th pole is equal to 23 1 by 6. Length of 6th pole is 2L. Then length of 7th pole is L. 5 into 17 by 6 plus 2L plus L is equal to 23 1 by 6. From this, we can find the value of L, that is 3 meters, which is the length of 7th pole. Question number 10. If mango plus apple is equal to 10 13 by 15 and mango plus mango is 12 2 by 5, then find the value of mango plus apple plus apple. M plus A is equal to 10 13 by 15 and 2M is equal to 12 2 by 5. Using 2M, that is equal to 62 by 5, we can find the value of M, that is 31 by 5. Substituting the value in the first equation, we can find the value of A, that is 70 by 15. Using these two values that we just now got, we can then find the value of mango plus apple, that is 15 8 by 15. Question number 11. If the sum of 15 1 by 8 and 2 1 by 3 is 5 1 by 2 more than a certain number x, then find the value of x. First, you have to add this. If we add, we will get 419 by 24. Given 419 by 24 is equal to 5 1 by 2 plus x. Using this, we can find the value of x. X is equal to 287 by 24. That can be also written as 1123 by 24. Question number 12. Kirti has 142 marbles. She gave 24 by 71 of total marbles to her sister and 50 marbles to her brother. What fraction of marbles is left with her? Given total marbles is 142. She gave 24 by 71 of the total marbles to her sister. Fraction she gave to her brother is equal to 50 by 142. Marbles given to sister plus marbles given to brother is equal to 49 by 71. Fraction of marble left with her is equal to 1 minus 49 by 71, which is equal to 22 by 71. In the next video, we're going to see more fraction and decimal sums together. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on post notifications so that you guys never miss out on a video that I upload. And I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.